Hi and welcome to another video on my epic journey with my new Olympus OMD EM1X camera. Okay, it's a very brief, very short video this one, and it's all about how to format your memory cards. Well, either how to format or to erase your memory cards. Now the difference being that formatting actually wipes your memory card clean, which I prefer. Erasing basically just removes the address of where the image is, so technically it's no longer available on your memory card, but most of it's still there until it's overwritten. So my preference is always to format the card. So if you like, my workflow is to shoot, get the images onto my computer, back them up, and then format my memory card every time. So I've always got a clean card to start with. Okay, if that makes sense, let's get on. Okay, first we're going to press the menu button, and then we're going to press the down arrow key until we get down to the spanner. We're going to press the right arrow key to get us into that set of menus, and we're going to start at the top and we're going to click on Card Setup. This brings me my two cards up, and in mine it's my card 1 that's full, so I'm going to press on that, and here I've got the option to erase or format. Well, erase basically leaves the images on the memory card. Format actually clears the card, so it gives you a much healthier card to format. So I'm going to press down 1 and then press format, and then as by magic it'll erase everything. Well, I think what it does is it writes 0 into everything, so it completely resets your card. And I'm going to click yes, because that's what I want to do. I want to format. And there it is, job done. And then just press the menu button until you get back to the super control panel. Well, that's it. Like I said, short and sweet. I do hope it was useful for you. Tune in again soon for another video in my epic journey with my new Olympus OMD EM1X camera.